Okay guys, in this video I will be making a jigsaw table out of just some wood I found in my granddad's garage. So I hope you like this video. Let's get started. Okay guys, this is what I've got done with the table now, quite a lot. So I put all the four legs on, and then on the front and the back I put the support braces on. And I didn't want to drive the screws all the way in because I thought they would crack the wood and put too much pressure on the screws holding the legs in, because they're not properly screwed in, because this wood is hardwood. This is only chipboard, so it went through this quite easy. So yeah, all I need to do now is, with this piece here, I'm going to create some more braces going down here, because I'm on the side, across, to connect the back and the front together. Now I just need to drill a hole and attach the jigsaw. I'm done. That easy. Okay, this is what I have done here. I have this piece of wood which is raised up on 2 blocks, attached to the top of the table. This is the bottom right now, and that's holding the jigsaw from the back. And then I've got this piece attached to the legs, which the string is going to be going from there round the bottom of these legs to keep it in place. So yeah, that's all I need to do now. Put the string on, or hold it in place. Just tie it in place. Tie the trigger. Maybe a ziplock will do good. And then plug it in. Done. Okay, the air's come undone a bit. I don't know what's happened. It's fell down. That's all that's happened. It's pushing back. Okay, we're gonna test this jigsaw table. So power on, and I'm gonna be cutting this board. Old board. I've tried this before, as you can see, yesterday. I'm not gonna start there. I'm gonna do a new cut. I'll go here. Then a new cut here. Okay, it's on now. I'm gonna change the power setting to the first level. Okay, there we go. Less than that. I've got to find the right one, so I've got to mess about with this so I find the right comfortable one. I think it's because I was going too slow and I want enough torque. So I'm going to try it on like power 2. So that's 1, that's 2. Quite a big difference. Okay, ready? More power. Okay, we're going to try add some more power to this. More power. Full power. as you can see, the cut kind of slopes down. I know why this is, because as I was going, the blade shifted a little, and the clamp didn't really work that great. So yeah, it is a great success. This worked really good.